Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have a new house tour that we did last winter. Actually, it's quite a while ago. Just now getting around to putting all the footage together. I have to apologize right off the bat that I wasn't planning on doing this house tour and I didn't have a wide angle lens with me, so I apologize for that. Please bear with me on some of the camera angles. So we just went in through the entrance here, and I whipped around the corner there to show this sort of private entrance that this Genkan has. And I'm going to sort of whip around back, and I'm back at the main entry in the Genkan. And now I'm going to flip 180 degrees and sort of go into the main living area. And as you can see, it's a typical sort of living room. But not really that typical for a Japanese home, because normally in a Japanese home there's a lot of walls and hallways and things to sort of cut up the inside of the home. But this is very open. Here's the kitchen. Again, you might be looking at it thinking, well, this is sort of a typical Western looking sort of kitchen, but you know, for a Japanese home, this is a little atypical. It's a little unusual, especially the granite countertops and the built-in dishwasher there. Get another shot of the living room. And then I'm going to swing over and go into this, I guess, formal dining room, I guess it would be. But it's in a traditional Japanese style. We have a sunken area in the floor where your feet hang over. They have tatami mats. And I'm going to go back out of the room and back down the hall. This is sort of across from the kitchen. And this is a bathroom. This house had a lot of different bathrooms. It's kind of strange. This is a sort of outdoor area, which has a really high privacy wall. Sorry for the lighting. I had the ISO turned on auto there. So it creates sort of a nice private space just outside the bathroom. And then off to the side you have the wash area and bathtub and so forth. Okay, so taking this again from, instead of going backwards, we're going to go to the right and head down the same hallway, and you'll see another little bathroom area. This is actually a toilet area. And it has a really cool feature coming up right here. So when it senses that you're near, it'll automatically open. Kind of an interesting feature. Surprised me a little bit. And that's the washroom. Very typical in a Japanese home to have the toilet area separate from the bathroom. And then it goes all the way back and circles back around to this sort of private Genkan entrance. We've gone full circle just so you can kind of see how everything is sort of connected. And there's the main Genkan entrance. So we're going to go up the stairs, and the upstairs has the light wood flooring, whereas the downstairs is a dark, a nice contrast there. And interesting in this home, this on the second floor is a second kitchen. And at first I thought this was just here to sort of show a second alternative kitchen look, but later I learned that this floor is actually meant as like in the US they have very common to have like mother-in-law suites. So the second floor is kind of like a space for the grandparents or for a mother-in-law to live with the family. They can have their own kitchen, sort of their own eating and dining area. And then circling back around to start to take a look at the bedrooms. This is obviously a child's bedroom. Hi, monkey. It's a nice little children's bedroom. I may not have got it on camera, but there's a really nice sort of open balcony just behind me. I might have accidentally cut that out. Looks like I did. We're going to go up these little stairs. This is actually a little attic area, and it's the coolest, nicest attic I've ever seen. Sorry about, again, sorry about all the tight camera angles because of my lens. So this is a finished attic area, but it's only about as high as my daughter, and she's about, I don't know, 3.5 feet or so. But it's a nice little space, good for storage. Maybe, I don't know, a little reading nook for the children or something like this. And go down the hall. Here's another bedroom. It's currently being used as an office for the salesman. Here's another little toilet area. This one didn't automatically pop open. Kind of disappointing. And then head down the hall again. Off to my left is a laundry area. I didn't explore that because this is where the salesman was talking to my wife, and I just kind of felt like I was intruding. I wasn't really sure if I should even have my camera in there filming everything, but he didn't say anything, so I guess it was okay. Another little bathroom off to the side. And you can't see because the camera angle is so tight, but this is a bedroom that's just off of that bathroom, the little wash area. And then I guess this would be the master bedroom here. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.